In this video, we're going to learn how to write numbers into words. So if we have a problem like this that says, how do you write the number 38 into words? So the first thing to do is use a place value chart. And if you don't know how to say 38 as 38, that's okay. We can still go through these steps and you could still do the problem. So let's use the place value chart, and in this column there's tens and in this column there's ones. So for the number 38, we need to keep in mind that this part of the number is the tens and this part of the number is the ones. Okay? So now let's put it in the chart. So it's 38 here. 3 in the tens and 8 in the ones. So the next thing to do is use the chart here below to help you with the words. So, and then you start with the tens. So I can see here that 3 in the tens, or 30, is 30. So let's circle that. Then I go to the ones column and I see 8 is here. So let's circle that one. So the next thing you do is first you write the tens part. Then you put a hyphen and write the ones part. So let me do that. So it's going to be 30. Now I put a hyphen and then I put in 8. And that's it. 38. That's how you write it out. So there's one more thing I need to review with you. If there is no ones part, then only write the tens part. So if instead of we had 38, we had the number just like this, 30, then you only write the tens part with no hyphen or anything else. And that's it. That's the whole lesson. And don't worry if you don't get this right away. Anyone can do math. And you could take a look in my description. You'll find other videos of mine that are like this. And also you can download the ebook and follow along this exact lesson in the ebook. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and to like. And I'll see you next time.